Wake up! Hello, my name is Geert van Rument. I'm the mayor of Wageningen. We have a responsibility towards the future of the world. And if you think globally, we also have to take actions locally. Global issues are translated into local policies. Examples in Wageningen are climate policy, sustainable mobility, food issues, international relations and peace. Wageningen is a member of the international network Mayors for Peace. It wants to achieve the abolishment of nuclear weapons and contribute to realize world peace. And I'm the chairman of the Dutch network of Mayors for Peace. As Wageningen is also the city of liberation, it is important to have a leading role. Wageningen is an international city and we also work on international relations. We have two twin city relations. If you want to bring change in European policy, it is very important to understand each other's differences and similarities. Wageningen also has a project relation with Nudisa in Rwanda, Africa. We support some projects in Nudisa on sanitation, ICT and water. We give a small amount of money for projects, but mainly it's knowledge brought by students doing research over there. And Wageningen wants to be the first eerlijk winkelen city. This is a city with shops who sell one of more fair trade products, second-hand or biological products. We already have a shopping route also available in English. The presence of Wageningen University makes Wageningen an international vibrant city. More than 12,000 students and PhDers from the Netherlands as well as from many other countries are studying and working here. And the university attracts the establishment of other companies into Wageningen, such as Friesland Campina, Unilever and other, also smaller international orientated businesses. People from all over the world feel at home in Wageningen.
My name is Lara de Brito. I'm Vice Mayor of this beautiful city of Wageningen. We do quite a lot when it comes to food policy. This is of course the city where we have the university within our borders, so it's also an obligation for us to be really ambitious when it comes to climate and food. I actually would want to talk about one subject that is very important when it comes to hunger and food policy, and that is food waste. There's a lot of hunger in the world, which is really a terrible thing, but there's also a lot of food waste. And if we manage to reduce the food waste, then we also can work on a new economy and a better distribution of food. And a very good example is a supermarket called Jumbo that is here in Wageningen as well as in a lot of other municipalities. And the Jumbo in Wageningen has something really special that is nowhere in the world besides here. They have a shelf that is all filled with products that are made from food that otherwise would have been wasted. And at the same time, the university does a lot of research on how people buy and if they're willing to buy nearly food wasted products. So in Wageningen we try to be a living lab when it comes to food waste. We work together with the university to do quite a lot of projects to reduce and to fight food waste as much as possible and to show that it's possible within a local level to really make a difference.
My name is Peter de Haan. I'm Vice Mayor on Climate Policy and Sustainable Mobility in the municipality of Wageningen. Wageningen wants to be climate neutral in 2030 and we work very hard to do that. We work hard on solar fields, on deep geothermal energy and district heating. But climate has already changed and therefore we have to adjust our public spaces to make them more green. That keeps the city cooler in the summer and it keeps rainwater in the ground when it's heavy raining. We also live nearby a river and the dikes need to be strengthened the upcoming years. That will be a big infrastructural project which will have a huge impact on the landscape of Wageningen. We inherited this earth from our parents and great-parents and We give it on to the next generations, and it's our responsibility to take good care of it. I think it's important that we take our responsibility here in Wageningen to do with what we can do. I call to all other municipalities, all persons, all companies to take their responsibility because we have to leave this earth to the next generations so they can profit from it also.
This is very short what our municipality does to achieve sustainable development. But what can be done next? It's up to you. Wake up!